What up? I gotta say something. We ain't cool right now, and all this shit y'all to be talking. I don't want out today. No, I ain't letting my. I don't want out today, cause if it went out today, man, I go boy, man. I don't need that kind of shit, man. I ain't doing that shit with you, bro, man. See that? I know. I got way. I got way. Talk. Man, who the fuck are you, man? I ain't coming here. I ain't no bitch. Ain't no fucking bitch. Y'all come here, gonna follow you to drag all this shit. I know I got buy you today, get today. Every shit gonna end, man. I'm gonna let that shit slide, my nigga. I ain't do that shit with you, bro, because man, you wasn't that one. I know you might one of them today. I swear to God, I don't follow you, man. I ain't no good niggas. I ain't no good hunter. I'm a motherfucker bad hunter. Got working, talk. Man, my eye don't blind. My eyes on red now, huh? You know what I'm saying? Shit.